Here at Kelly's Garage Door Service, our mission is to provide our customers with the highest level of quality, service, value, and integrity. Our professional, certified technicians service and repair all types of garage doors and garage door openers. We also install a wide selection of garage doors and garage door openers for our residential customers. From home garage doors and replacement installation to any garage door opener repair, we can do it all. Call today and get a free estimate for the garage door service you need. Kelly's Garage Door Service, 432-262-1810.